2 footwork. Gagawin natin. Shape slide and post slide. First footwork, tawag natin dito post slide. Sinidribble nyo yung bola, pa-slide na para kayong puno-post. Once malit nyo itong drill mat na to, mag-hip rotation ako, inside hip rotation to speed stop. Pero, ako kayo yan. Tennis one bounce, hip rotation, drop. Nice one, nice one. From dito, mag-i-slide ako papunta dun sa next drill mat, place footwork. Then, once ma-reach ng outside leg ko and inside leg ko, that's the time mag-hand exchange ako, hand exchange. Masabay ng hand exchange ko, mag-pivot ako dito. Then, skate slide. Then, tuloy lang natin. Dito, dagdag tayo ng split. Dito kayo mag-skate lang. Mag-start kayo of a skip. Then, para ma-execute nyo si power stop, maglaland kayo ng ball is here. So, outside leg, inside leg. So, mag-skip, outside leg, inside leg. Then, finish. Inside hand, outside hand, saka floater. Then, pag di nyo kinaya, mag-stay kayo sa floater. Skip, power stop, inside hand. Pangalawa, skip, outside hand, power stop. Pangatlo, skip to power stop floater. Power stop side. Sige na.